There it is. Oh, I almost forgot. It's fire alarm inspection day. Gotta make sure that happens this moment.
Hey Thunderbolt.
Sup, alerter?
I noticed you are gonna take off in your van. Where are you headed to?
I'm traveling down to El Garcia to a bookstore for me to buy some books for something I am thinking of doing.
Oh, I see. Well, good luck, and I hope you get what you need.
Thanks. This'll be my first time book shopping down at El Garcia for an extra bonus. Whoa. This looks fancy. Well, let's see if I can find the book I need. It's up on the second floor.
Time to fool everybody here with this bull. And I hope they aren't too loud either.
May I have your attention, please?
Oh great.
May I?
There's a fire in here.
There has been a fire
Hi. I'm one of the El Garcia firefighters, Red SD-10, and we came here because we received a fire alarm from here. Can you explain to us what happened?
Alright. So, I was busy at my desk like a typical manager would, and occasionally checking up on my workers to see how they are doing. But, I had no idea there would be a mysterious fire alarm activation going on. And as soon as I was about to take off from my desk one time, it went off. Though, as soon as I pulled forward through here, I noticed the alarm had been pulled. And I saw no fire anywhere BTW.
Dang. That has been happening a lot here in El Garcia. Thankfully we have the police so they'll help us crack the cases. So, do you mind if they investigate?
Not at all. It should be easy to test who pulled the fire alarm.
Alright, they'll be on it. So, from what we DNA tested, the results come back to the antenna prints of P50. Now, we got what we figured out who pulled the fire alarm at this bookstore. We'll look for him, and you guys can code for the place. Oh yeah, I am glad I am able to pull off the classic quote, prank, get everybody down at El Garcia and get away with it quickly.
Well, P50, somebody decided to pull an alarming big move to trouble. Like, seriously. How dare you pull the fire alarm in El Garcia? That's it. We are arresting you for false alarm on public property. The fire alarm must only be pulled if there is a real emergency that is concerning for the fire department. Do you understand that pulling the alarm under no circumstances is a serious crime?
Shut up, you insane hexagonal speaker tower cop. I am legit for what I am. Plus, it's not like the man in blue wants to run up to a pull station with a key to activate a system manually.
You know, I won't come up to a system just to mess with it. Unlike you, I only test them. I am an authorized person to test it, and you have no rights to, so P50 is a garbage can.